In today's video, we will look at 10 modern ways to make money today. Most of these methods, in fact, require minimal involvement, as AI tools help automate the processes. Of course, like the video now, for good karma. Some of these methods make a lot of money, others less, but more immediately. Some generate active income and others passive. In general, I chose a combination of different forms of income so you can choose which suits you best. Let's go ahead and look at the ways you can start generating income today. Number 1. Part-time data entry. Data entry is an easy job that requires basic knowledge, computer skills, and attention to detail. You can find data entry jobs on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. You are usually paid per project or per hour, and you can start immediately as long as you have a computer and internet connection. It is ideal for those who are financially strained and looking for an easy and quick solution. This is active income, as you need to dedicate time to perform this work. Apart from freelancing, you can also be hired regularly by a business, as this is a role that companies often seek. Number 2. Crypto trading. If you have knowledge of the cryptocurrency market, trading can be a quick way to earn profits. However, this method requires initial capital and comes with high risk. Platforms like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken allow for quick buying and selling of cryptocurrencies. Briefly, trading strategies like day trading or scalping trading can yield profits, but they require study in risk management. It is recommended to conduct fundamental and technical analysis before investing in any cryptocurrency, and choose projects with utility. Number 3. Selling books on Amazon. If you want to publish your own book or ebook, Amazon KDP is an excellent option where you can easily publish and sell your books without the intervention of a publishing house. This way, you avoid unnecessary publishing expenses, as uploading your book to Amazon is completely free, and then with each book purchase, Amazon takes a commission. Even passion. However, if you don't have it for writing books, today, with chat or similar AI tools, you can easily write stories and publish them. Number 4. Selling digital products with AI. Books are just one product that you can create and sell with the help of AI. With the rapid development of artificial intelligence, you can create AI-based products, such as chatbots, automatic graphic designs, 3D designs, AI-generated art, templates, etc. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Shopify allow you to sell your products directly to a global audience. Additionally, you can have your own website if you start making sales to avoid the fees of the aforementioned platforms. Finally, with the help of AI, you can also sell physical products using the print-on-demand method. I have related videos on the channel. Number 5. Faceless YouTube channel. The world of social media and YouTube has changed. We are seeing more and more faceless channels generating huge revenues and attracting millions of subscribers. You don't need to show your face to create a profitable YouTube channel. You can create videos using tools like Pictory, Synthesia, or HeyGene. I have made corresponding guides for these platforms in other videos on the channel, which I will leave in the video description. All you need to do is choose the theme of the channel. Leave the creation, editing, video recording, and content production to the AI. Number 6. Factless TikTok. Similarly, with the above method, you can create short-form content, videos, for TikTok, the fastest-growing platform. On TikTok, it's easier to attract a large audience due to its massive traffic and dedicated users. Thus, you can create viral content without showing your face. You can upload videos with AI-generated voices, animations, or edited images. The Pictory I mentioned earlier is an ideal platform for this job. I will leave a link for Pictory below in the description so you can try it for free. Number 7. Flipping digital assets in the metaverse. The metaverse has opened new opportunities for buying and selling digital real estate, avatars, NFTs, and other assets. You can buy cheap assets on platforms like Decentraland or Sandbox and resell them for a profit. In general, just like in any other case we do. Flipping, the idea is to find an asset whose value is undervalued at a given time, buy it, and later sell it at a higher price. This is a good way to create passive income. Its major advantage is that it doesn't require time commitment and is purely passive income, while the major disadvantage is that it requires initial capital and familiarity with the metaverse. Number 8. Creating online courses and coaching. There is something you know very well from your experience and can easily convey. And there is someone else somewhere else, perhaps on the other side of the world, who would pay to learn what you know. Besides coaching, you can share your knowledge. And through online seminars, where in this case the income is purely passive. I mentioned the other side of the world and you might be thinking, but I don't speak well English, so I can only do seminars in Greek. Therefore, I don't have a large audience. This problem has now been solved by artificial intelligence, as platforms like HeyGene take your content and translate it into any other language. It seems like you are speaking that language in the video. With the help of technology, geographical limitations have been eliminated. And your content can reach every part of the planet where there is an internet connection. Number 9. Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to earn commissions by promoting other people's or companies' products. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. They allow you to earn money every time someone purchases a product through your link. It's an easy way to create passive income. This can be done with many techniques, many of which I have presented in corresponding guides. Having an audience definitely helps in promoting products and earning commissions. However, it's not the only way. Number 10. Investments in growth stocks. If you have a little money to invest, you can buy shares of high-growth companies that have prospects for significant gains. Here, obviously, it requires research and understanding of the market, and you need to properly manage the risk involved in this method. The logic here is that we buy a stock when its value is low, and this happens in its early stages. That is, when the stock is still new, so that in the future its value will have multiplied. Similarly, the value of our investment has also multiplied, allowing us to take the profits. As with cryptocurrencies, there is also a high risk here as we chase high returns. But that's precisely why we talk about such high returns. A piece of advice I will give you if you're interested in getting involved in this type. The investment is not to look at individual stocks, but entire sectors that are growing. So that was today's video. As always, stay away from scams and see you in the next video.